This is the story of the talking Christmas tree. In the heart of a snowy forest stood a grand old Christmas tree. Unlike any other, this tree could talk, but only during the magical days leading up to Christmas. One chilly evening, a little girl named Ainsley wandered into the forest while playing. Distracted by the sparkling snowflakes, she strayed too far and realized she couldn't find her way back. Lost and frightened, she sat beneath the towering Christmas tree and began to cry. The tree, with its gentle twinkling lights, spoke softly. "Don't be afraid, little one. I'll help you." Startled at first, Ainsley looked up in surprise. You can talk?" she stammered. "Yes," the tree said kindly. "Now tell me, where are your parents?" Ainsley explained she had been visiting a nearby cabin with her parents and got separated. The tree reached out with its shimmering branches, wrapping Ainsley in a warm, glowing light. "Hold on tight," it said. Using its magic, the tree illuminated a path through the forest. The lights flickered like tiny stars, guiding Ainsley through the snowy woods. Along the way, woodland animals joined in, creating a cheerful parade of hope. As they neared the edge of the forest, Ainsley spotted her parents, frantically calling their names. "Mom! Dad!" she shouted, running into their arms. Her parents hugged her tightly, tears of relief streaming down their faces. Before they left, Ainsley turned to thank the tree, but it was gone, standing silently like an ordinary tree once more. However, its star-shaped top glowed brightly, as if it was smiling. That Christmas, Ainsley and her family returned to the forest to decorate the tree with ornaments and lights, singing carols in its honor. It became their tradition, a reminder of the magical tree that brought them back together. And from that day on, Ainsley never forgot the talking Christmas tree's gift of love, light, and Christmas magic. That is the end of the story.